I'm adding equal amounts of glue to the actual gesso. So we have the rabbit skin glue that I'm adding here to the raw sienna glue. So it binds the gesso. I have it measured. So then we're going to take this whole pot and we're going to take it to Muhammad. We're going to go over here. And we're going to, like so, we're going to, like this. We're going to add the clay, so like so, all the way around. So we have almost the same color as the gold here. So we're using the yellow clay to bond, to body up. Of course, that will dry. And you can see how that was nicely chipped yesterday. It's so smooth now. So smooth, it was all chipped there yesterday. So we're going to go back over with the yellow clay on top of this right now. And then we'll be adding the gold leaf to this area tomorrow, like so. So we're trying to blend it in as best we can. This is the foundation. And also here. We have to go here. There. That's it. So come back to us tomorrow and we'll be gold leafing. Look forward to seeing you.